Hello everyone. Today me and my colleagues will be taking you all through on how AI tools are transforming system design by automating the generation of UML diagrams from textual requirements. Software development is a complex process that requires clear and precise design models. UML diagrams are essential in visually representing system components. However, creating them manually is time consuming and often prone to human error. This is where AI tools come in. They leverage natural language processing, also known as NLP, and machine learning to automate the process. With these tools, developers can quickly turn system requirements into accurate UML diagrams, improving efficiency, consistency, and collaboration within software projects. In this presentation, we'll explore various AI tools that assist in UML diagram generation, compare their pros and cons, and discuss future trends in this evolving space.
Now let's talk about the existing AI tools that are available for UML diagram generation. First, we have Lucidchart AI. This uses AI to create UML diagrams from text. It supports class, sequence, and activity diagrams. Lucidchart AI is user friendly, but it's limited by its predefined templates. Then we have Plant UML, which is an open source tool that uses AI based parsers to generate UML diagrams from text. It's very cost effective, but it requires technical expertise and it also kind of struggles with complex requirements. Next, we have Rational Rows by IBM. This offers AI powered UML generation. It provides high scalability accuracy for large projects, but it's complex and it's also very expensive. Then we have NLP based automated systems, natural language processing based automated systems such as Text UML, Model Writer, and UML BERT. These use case based reasoning to extract elements from text and then generate UML diagrams such as class diagrams. Next, we have LLMs, large language models, such as a GPT-4, which can convert natural language into UML syntax, and it identifies relationships and generate the diagrams. They offer adaptability and ease of use, but it faces challenges when it comes to domain-specific contexts and also complex scenarios.
Now let's discuss the importance of utilizing artificial intelligence in UML diagram tools. First, let's talk about the efficiency and automation. AI-driven tools can take over the tasks of processing text requirements. This means teams can save a lot of time and effort instead of spending hours creating diagrams by hand, especially in large projects where the requirements can be complicated. And next we have accuracy and consistency. AI tools use techniques like machine learning and natural language processing to improve how accurately they extract elements from requirements. This greatly reduces mistakes that often happen when diagrams are made manually, leading to more dependable project results. And next we have improved collaboration. AI tools help all team members work together more easily by providing clear and standardized visual representations of system requirements. This helps keep everyone, like developers, analysts, and clients, on the same page throughout the project. And next, we have adaptability and scalability. AI systems can quickly adjust to changing needs and can automatically update UML diagrams as projects change. This means our models stay relevant and up to date. And lastly, let's talk about learning and improvement. These AI tools can learn from large amounts of data and feedback, allowing them to get better over time. They stay updated with best practices and new trends in software engineering, helping teams take advantage of the latest developments. Now let's discuss the importance of utilizing artificial intelligence in UML diagram tools. First, let's talk about the efficiency and automation. AI-driven tools can take over the tasks of processing text requirements. This means teams can save a lot of time and effort instead of spending hours creating diagrams by hand, especially in large projects where the requirements can be complicated. And next we have accuracy and consistency. AI tools use techniques like machine learning and natural language processing to improve how accurately they extract elements from requirements. This greatly reduces mistakes that often happen when diagrams are made manually, leading to more dependable project results. And next, we have improved collaboration. AI tools help all team members work together more easily by providing clear and standardized visual representations of system requirements. This helps keep everyone, like developers, analysts, and clients, on the same page throughout the project. And next, we have adaptability and scalability. AI systems can quickly adjust to changing needs and can automatically update UML diagrams as projects change. This means our models stay relevant and up to date. And lastly, let's talk about learning and improvement. These AI tools can learn from large amounts of data and feedback, allowing them to get better over time. They stay updated with best practices and new trends in software engineering, helping teams take advantage of the latest developments.
Now let's move on to the comparison of the main AI tools available for UML diagram generation. We've identified several key tools, each with distinct features. Let's move on from top to bottom. At the very first, we have Lucid Chart AI. It is very well known for its high accuracy and the user friendly interface that supports various diagram types. It is great for beginners, but it relies heavily on predefined templates, which could be a limitation when it comes to more complex scenarios. Next, we have the plant UML integrations. It is more of an open source and cost effective platform that uses AI parsers to convert text into UML diagrams. It is ideal for technical users, but it struggles with handling complex requirements. Open AI based models. Tools like ChatGPT, they can interpret natural language into general UML syntax, making it more adaptable even though they still face challenges with domain-specific context and ambiguous inputs. Next, we have the Rational Rose by IBM. It is more of an enterprise-level solution that offers high scalability and higher accuracy, making it more expensive when compared to the rest. Lastly, we have the NLP-based systems. These tools use heuristic models to extract UML elements from text, offering moderate accuracy, but require significant technical expertise to implement. In summary, what I could say is the choice of tool depends largely on the project's complexity, budget, and the team's technical expertise.
I'll be discussing the future trends in AI tools for generating UML diagrams and how these advancements are set to transform software development. Let's begin with advanced NLP models. Modern transformer based models like GPT and BERT are becoming key players in this space. These models are excellent at interpreting complex natural language, which helps them understand the nuances in textual requirement. Which this means AI tools will soon generate diagrams with much greater accuracy and relevance. Next up, domain adaptability. By incorporating domain specific knowledge, AI tools will produce diagrams that aren't just technically correct, but also highly relevant to specific industries, whether it's healthcare, finance, or manufacturing. These tools will adapt to the unique requirements of each domain. Another exciting trend is integration with development pipelines. Imagine seamless integration with platforms like Jira and GitHub, where UML diagrams are automatically updated based on project progress or code changes. This kind of real-time automation will streamline workflows and enhance collaboration across uh, different development teams. And next up, explainable AI. One major challenge with current tools is the lack of transparency. Future AI tools will address this by providing clear explanations for their choices, why certain relationships or elements are included in the diagrams. This will help developers validate the diagrams and trust the AI's output. Uh, Moving on, we have interactive and collaborative diagramming. Future tools will support real time collaboration, enabling multiple users to work on a single diagram simultaneously. This feature will greatly enhance teamwork, especially in distributed development environments. Multimodal input is another exciting prospect. Imagine being able to describe a system verbally, sketch a rough diagram, or even provide code snippets and having the AI translate that into a polished UML diagram. This makes the tools far more accessible and flexible. And then there is automated layout and aesthetics. AI will take care of the diagram's layout and styling, ensuring it adheres to established design principles for virtual clarity and consistency. No more messy or cluttered diagrams. Next, diagram validation and verification. Future AI tools will be equipped to validate diagrams against predefined rules or constraints, ensuring they are both complete and correct. This reduces the chances of errors making their way into the design process. Finally, we have personalized diagram generation. These tools will learn from user preferences over time, tailoring diagrams to individual styles and needs. Developers will receive outputs that align with their specific workflows and aesthetic preferences. Now, let's conclude by reflecting on the immense potential of AI driven UML diagram generation. Currently, these tools are like apprentices. They can handle basic requirements and translate them into visual diagrams. However, they often struggle with nuisance and complex systems. The future lies in advancing AI and NLP capabilities. By training these tools with vast libraries of domain specific knowledge, we can enable them to understand relationships and user needs better. But more importantly, these tools need to evolve into collaborators. Future tools must provide intuitive interfaces that allow developers to offer feedback and refine outputs. This collaboration ensures the final diagrams reflect the developer's vision, not just the machine's interpretation. The ultimate goal is to create AI tools that act as intelligent assistants, tools that not only automate diagram creation but also enhances developers' understanding of complex diagrams. For this, accuracy, completeness, and explainability will be key priorities. and these tool and these tools mature as these tools mature, they will save valuable time, reduce effort, and empower developers to build more robust software systems. So, to sum it all up, the journey of AI tools of UML diagram generation is like that of apprentices learning a craft. With advancements in AI and collaborative design, these tools have the potential to become master collaborators, revolutionizing how we approach software and development. So, thank you, and that's all from our side.